इन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस को एक्सप्लोर करो, क्या बोलती पब्लिक? It's your boy iLearning back with another video. So, you guys have heard of dropshipping, right? हर कोई AliExpress के फोन ऑफसेस बेचने में लगा है। बट लेट्स बी रियल, अब बहुत ऑल्सर्ड हो गई है। क्या हो अगर मैं तुमको बताऊं कि ऑनलाइन पैसे कमाने के और भी तरीके हैं, शायद बेहतर भी। We are diving deep into dropshipping alternatives that could be your ticket to financial freedom. Bro, but before we get into all that, do me a favor yaar. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications. We are on a mission to demystify online business, and your support helps us reach more people. So, grab your chai and some pakode, because things are about to get interesting. Let's explore some online business models that could change your life. सबसे पहले हमारे पास है एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग। ये एक ऐसा तरीका है जिसमें आप दूसरों के प्रोडक्ट्स को प्रमोट करके पैसे कमा सकते हैं। इमेजिन दिस, यू रेकमेंड अ प्रोडक्ट ऑनलाइन, और जब कोई उस लिंक के थ्रू खरीदारी करता है, समवन बाइज इट थ्रू योर लिंक, एंड बूम, यू गेट अ कमीशन। ये एक बहुत ही सिंपल और इफेक्टिव तरीका है। नो इन्वेंट्री, नो शिपिंग, जस्ट प्योर प्रॉफिट। आपको दैट से भी प्रोडक्ट को स्टोर या शिप करने की जरूरत नहीं है। थिंक अबाउट इट। यू आर स्क्रॉलिंग थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम, सी अ कूल गैजेट, एंड देयर्स अ लिंक इन द bio. ये इतना आसान हो सकता है? यू क्लिक, यू बाय, द इन्फ्लुएंसर गेट्स अ कट। ये एक बहुत ही पावरफुल तरीका है पैसे कमाने का। दैट्स एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग इन एक्शन। ये एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर और इफेक्टिव तरीका है। बेस्ट पार्ट, यू कैन फाइंड एफिलिएट प्रोग्राम्स फॉर ऑलमोस्ट एनीथिंग, चाहे वो टेक गैजेट्स हो, फैशन हो या ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज। फ्रॉम टेक गैजेट्स टू फैशन टू ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज, द पॉसिबिलिटीज आर एंडलेस। आप दैट भी फील्ड में एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं इससे। नाउ हाउ डू यू गेट स्टार्टेड? इजी पीजी। सबसे पहले आपको एक निश ढूंढनी इसकी जिसमें आप पैशनेट इसन। फाइंड अ निश यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट, जॉइन रेलेवेंट एफिलिएट प्रोग्राम्स, और फिर उन प्रोडक्ट्स को प्रमोट करना शुरू करें। एंड स्टार्ट प्रमोटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स टू योर ऑडियंस। रिमेंबर, ऑनेस्टी इज की। अपने ऑडियंस के साथ ईमानदारी से पेश आएं। डोंट जस्ट शिल एनी रैंडम प्रोडक्ट। ऑफर उन्हीं प्रोडक्ट्स को रेकमेंड करें जिन पर आप खुद विश्वास करते हैं। रेकमेंड स्टफ यू जेन्युइनली बिलीव इन, एंड योर ऑडियंस विल अप्रिशिएट इट। इससे आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी भी बढ़ेगी। प्रो टिप, लीवरेज द पावर ऑफ कंटेंट मार्केटिंग। कंटेंट मार्केटिंग का उपयोग करके आप अपने एफिलिएट लिंक्स को और भी प्रभावी बना सकते हैं। क्रिएट ब्लॉग पोस्ट्स, यूट्यूब वीडियोस, और सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट अराउंड योर चोजन निश एंड स्प्रिंकल इन दोज एफिलिएट लिंक्स ऑर्गेनिकली। यह एक बहुत ही प्रभावी तरीका है। विद कंसिस्टेंट एफर्ट एंड अ स्प्रिंकल ऑफ मार्केटिंग मैजिक, आप एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग में सफल हो सकते हैं। एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग कैन बिकम अ लुक्रेटिव इनकम स्ट्रीम। तो देयर दैट्स बात की। आज ही शुरू करें और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। नेक्स्ट अप, we serve print on demand, a business model that's perfect for only you creative souls. Imagine a world where you can transform your art into products without any upfront costs. Ever dreamed of designing your own t-shirts, mugs, or phone offices? With print on demand, you can turn those dreams into reality. Print on demand makes it a reality without the hassle of inventory management. Here is how it works. You create a design, upload it to a platform, list it on a print on demand platform, and wait for the orders to roll in. And when someone orders, the platform handles everything: printing, shipping, customer service, the whole shebang. You just focus on creating more designs. You don't need a warehouse full of products gathering dust. No more worries about overstocking or understocking. Just your creativity and a laptop. Think about it. You can work from anywhere. Your ism, a cafe, or even while traveling. You could create hilarious meme t-shirts, inspirational quote mugs, or more. The options are endless. Or even custom phone offices with people's names on them. Platforms like Printful, Printify, or Redbubble make it super easy to get started. They integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Methatung it a breeze to set up your online store. With just a few clicks, you can have your store up and running, ready to show your creations to the world. Methatung it a breeze to set up your online store. The key to success here is to tap into your inner artist and create unique, eye-catching designs that people can't resist. So, unleash your creativity, design some awesome products, and watch the Honoreders roll in. It's a journey on of expression and entrepreneurship. And watch the Honoreders roll in. Get ready to transform your passions into profits. Chapter 3 App. Let's talk about digital products, the holy grail of passive income. Imagine creating something once and selling it over and over again without any additional effort. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with digital products, it's a reality. From ebooks and online courses to stock photos and website templates, the possibilities are endless. Think about your skills and knowledge. What can you teach others? Can you write an ebook on a topic you are passionate about? Can you create stunning stock photos? Can you design beautiful website templates? Once you also identified your niche, it's all about creating high-quality products that provide value to your customers. The beauty of digital products is that they can be delivered instantly, anywhere in the world. No shipping costs, no inventory headaches. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it super easy to sell your digital creations. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner entrepreneur, create some awesome digital products, and watch the passive income roll in. Chapter 4. Next up, VISV subscription boxes, the gift that keeps on giving. Subscription boxes are a fantastic way to connect with your customers on a regular basis. Remember the joy of receiving a surprise gift as a theater. That excitement, that untamed happiness, it's priceless. That's the feeling you are tapping into with subscription boxes. It's not just about the products, it's about the experience. The concept is simple. You curate a box of goodies around a specific theme and deliver it to your subscribers every month. Each box is a new adventure, a new discovery. From beauty products and snacks to pet toys and stationery, there's a subscription box for every interest imaginable. It's like giving a gift to yourself every month. The key to success here is to find a niche you are passionate about and curate boxes that truly delight your subscribers. Think about it. What do you love? What do you want to share with the world? Are you a fitness fanatic? Do you love healthy living? Create a box filled with healthy snacks and workout gear. Help your subscribers stay fit and active. Are you a beauty junkie? Do you follow the latest trends in skincare and makeup? Curate a box with the latest skincare and makeup products. Your subscribers will love exploring new beauty treasures. Platforms like Greatjoy and Subly make it easy to set up your subscription box business and manage your subscribers. You can focus on curation and customer experience. So, find your niche, curate some amazing boxes, and get ready to spread some joy and make some money, one subscription at a time. Your customers will thank you, and you will love the journey. Chapter 5. Last but not the least, VISO freelancing, the ultimate side hustle for those who crave flexibility and control. Are you a wordsmith, a coding ninja, a design maestro, or a marketing guru? Freelancing allows you to leverage your skills and work on your own terms. From writing and editing to web development and graphic design, there's a freelance gig for almost every skill set imaginable. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with freelancers from all over the world. The best part? You get to choose your clients, set your rates, and work from anywhere in the world. Remember, building a successful freelance career takes time and effort. Create a Thatler portfolio, network with potential clients, and always deliver high-quality work. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner freelancer, find your niche, and start building your dream career, one gig at a time. So there you eyes of it, guys, 5 awesome dropshipping alternatives to that can start your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you are a creative soul, a tech whiz, or simply someone who craves freedom and flexibility, there's an online business model out there for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And seriously, guys, subscribe. 81% of you watching are forgetting to hit that button. It takes 2 seconds and it helps us out a ton. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep crushing it in the online business world. Peace out.